So welcome to weekly vlog 8, and this week is super exciting because it's fall break this weekend, and so I'm gonna try to consistently vlog, and especially vlog during fall break because I know my friends back at home would love to be in my vlogs. It's pretty loud, sorry. Okay, well basically this is what I'm wearing today. So just Converse from probably, I don't know, Shoe Carnival, if they have them anywhere. These black jeans from American Eagle. I'm wearing this black top from Old Navy and then this flannel. So yeah, that's the outfit today. The flannel is from Target, I think. This is for Mr. Holden because he says I eat too much. Currently canning for Riley Children's Hospital. Hi, would you like to donate to Riley Children's Hospital?
I work here.
Okay then. Just outside Noodles. Waiting for donations. I think we made about $10 so far. So that's good. Kayla's watching my vlog.
You watched all your previous vlogs.
Obviously, I'm my biggest fan.
Moving in, making friends.
They're all doing some chemistry, which I should do. Hi, Hannah.
Hi.
Jen's coming in here to do her Hudson homework, and I'm just trying to be productive, except...
Wait, what's that guy's name?
Okay, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Hey guys, so it is vlog takeover with Niji's brother, the one and only Nithya.
It's like right now. It's like it's like right now. It's like
Hello, everyone. So right now I am home. That's my beautiful mother. It is her birthday. Say hi to my viewers.
Hi.
What are we doing for your birthday?
I don't know, Niji's taking me somewhere.
You know, we're going to Toast and Jam for breakfast, and it's the outfit today, and I'm actually wearing my new purse because I never wear it. So yeah, we're going there right now. I was looking at the menu, and I'm craving like something sweet, so probably like waffles or something like that. Yeah, I love being home. I don't know, it's really nice. This is the damaged...
That's right, friend.
Mommy, that was just something dumb to say. My mom had... What'd you eat, Mommy?
Biscuit, hash brown.
She got a yogurt parfait. She got banana bread, blueberry bread, biscuits. Nithya
A veggie omelet, which is so good.
literally didn't touch his food.
Yeah, I did.
It
Then I
looks...
had a bunch of hash browns. I didn't actually have them.
You literally ate nothing.
Bread. I'm having Mommy's blueberry bread right now.
I had a skillet. A lot of it's still left. But I ate like the eggs on top and... yeah, some of the food. It was a lot. And then I had pancakes.
Hey, Jam.
This is so good. It's apple jam. It's so good. I want to take it home. Now we're off to go get our nails done after we drop off Nitty. It's a fun day ahead. Who I met! It's Miranda and her dad. I'm on YouTube. Yeah.
She's YouTube famous. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Well, it was nice to see you guys. I'll see you later.
Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Hi, Annie. Oh my god. Such a rocky road. Okay. Shh, guys, background noise. Okay, so basically I say basically so much in all my vlogs. It's so bad. I need another word.
It's like, for you.
It's like, yeah, instead of I say basically. Okay. So we've been vlogging for a long time, long time.
But we never
post it because we're ugly. I know it's so hard, you have to look here. But we never upload it because we're just like, this is ugly. And like we would do like smoothie challenges and like baby food challenge, all the tag videos. Like,
Yeah, and we'd film it and edit it, but never upload it.
never upload it. No. I remember you had a program on one of your laptops. You're like, Niji, I can edit it. And then you would edit all the videos, but it wouldn't go anywhere.
Yeah.
So, but now I have a channel and she's on it, so. Tomorrow is where our two families are going out for lunch to celebrate my mom's birthday, but we don't know where yet. I want to go to Honest, but I don't know how that's happening.
When you told me we were going to Honest, I was like, India for one.
Yeah, okay, so Honest is basically this chain restaurant in Gujarat, which is a part of India, West India, and like they have like, I'm gonna list all these foods because I know some people who watch me are Indian, or so they would know, but if not, then you can just like YouTube it or Google it, I mean. But it's like pani puri, pav bhaji, chaat puri, like what other types of food do they have? Like chaat, samosa chaat, bhel.
Oh, they have like
Manchurian, Hakka noodles, like things like that. Like really like Ladi style foods, and it's so popular. And one of my friends told me that it's by me in Schaumburg, which is like there's only one in America. So I was like, well, we have to go. So hopefully we'll go there tomorrow because we all love, our favorite Indian foods are like chaat Indian foods, which are like snack foods. So basically, I'm gonna edit that out right now. So that's where we're gonna go tomorrow. Right now we're gonna get our nails done. So goodbye, see you at Garba.
Yeah.
Hi guys, so these are my nails.
Wait. Okay.
When you want to go over?
Okay,
Wait, what?
I guess we're going over there. Follow me. This way. Show me still.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
These are my nails. And these are my toenails. Show yours too. I really like her color. Annie, show your color.
This is mine. It won't focus. Lal.
And my mom. Get that. See you at Garba. Okay, so I'm ready. Pretty much ready. Well, my hair's done and my makeup's done, but I still have to put on my outfit. But Annie right now is putting on her outfit, and her parents, I'm at Annie's house by the way, and her parents are ready, and then we're surprising my mom with cake because it's her birthday. So we're gonna go right now with cake to my house, which is literally 1 block away. And then we're going, and then I have to get ready, and then we have to go. One of my friends is gonna pick us up because she's also in our neighborhood. And then this is not the actual color, it's like fuchsia pinkish, but yeah. So I'm gonna videotape my mom's reaction. Should be cute. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jets. Happy birthday to you. She's so it's because she saw the camera.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Let's play.
No, we're still late. So
make a wish.
Make a wish. She needs a knife. She was like,
Hello. I don't want Hello, murderer.
get the murder knife. I got it.
The clown killer knife.
What is it? What is it? He's gonna finish the whole thing.
Can I wear? Oh my god.
She's gonna put it on. That's so cute. Wait, I wanna see it. I wanna get a good shot of it. What does it say?
It's a best friend forever.
So happy. I missed the reaction.
Is it recording?
Yeah, I missed the reaction. What do you have to say?
So I'm so excited because like the three musketeers are together.
Auntie Sabang.
I was gonna get your reaction. Yeah.
Wait, that should be your
Say hi.
Gitu Auntie Sabang.
Little baby, she's my little me, my mini me. Look at her, she's so cute. Look at you all dressed up. Do you want to say hi? Hi, we miss you. She watches my vlogs. I do. She doesn't, but she gets it. So good. And they cover pa name mo. I was telling them how you don't watch my videos. Hi, is this a video? It's my vlog. Oh, hi, vlogger. Okay. Okay, we're at Garba right now. I'll show you guys the inside of it. It's really lit, except the Garba's kind of slow right now, so we just took a break. It was super fast earlier. This is Karima. Hello.
I'm looking at the viewfinder.
Do you have anything interesting to say?
I'm gonna plug my own channel.
Hello. She's a really good singer.
I'm starting a YouTube channel at the end of October, beginning of November.
Subscribe to me and I'll subscribe to you.
Yeah, go play, go play.
Don't polish. Don't polish.
I definitely got lipstick
This
all
is my
over.
cousin. She's not into YouTube like me. She likes the interview aspect of YouTube. I watch vlogs. What's wrong with you? Oh. Never mind. She called my vlogs cute, so I like her even more. Yeah, they're fun. I really like them. You want Taco Bell? I don't have lipstick. I was wearing this jewelry and it like left stains. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go. Wait, this is my outfit. I want to show you guys the outfits. I'll do an outfit check for Niji and then you do it for her. So today Niji is wearing a very cute. Today Niji is wearing a very cute cream and blue, royal blue outfit with a lot of sequins on her blouse. I would say it's more like Deepika Padukone. Wow. But listen. That's a big compliment. Do you want to see my outfit? It's from Ram Leela. It's from a movie? Okay. It's like a movie style outfit. I wore this last year, so it's fine. She's so cute. Okay, bye. So, we got Dunkin'. Because what's coming home without Dunkin'? Am I right? Indians love Dunkin'. Because our families work there. Not our families, but
We don't
We
love
know
Dunkin'
everyone.
more than we love Taco Bell though.
Taco Bell and Dunkin' is everything.
Yeah.
Except the cashier person was being a complete, I'm not gonna say it, but she was being super rude. So whoever, I know your name, so I might complain, just saying, because your customer service was less than satisfactory. Hey, so I just woke up and look really gross, but right now I had tea with my parents and we had like breakfast, and now we're going to go get phones because there's like a deal going on apparently at Sprint, so like maybe my brother and I could upgrade to the iPhone 7, so we're going to see if we can, because that would be pretty cool. I didn't vlog. I forgot to bring my vlogging camera to Garba yesterday, but it was basically the same as yesterday's, Friday's Garba. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this week's vlog. I'm gonna get back to IU and finish up my chem homework and FaceTime my cousin, because I haven't talked to her in like months, and then sleep, because it's gonna be a long week next week. Okay, bye guys.